So if you use anything that is different from the what the king gave, it is dishonest. It is cheating the king. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க அம்மா சொல்கிறாங்க. மேபி யூ ஆர் நாட் டெஸ்டின்ட் ஃபார் த த்ரோன். ஸோ நீ இந்த அரசாணைக்கு விதிக்கப்பட்டவளா இல்லை அரசாள்றதுக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இஃப் ஸோ லெட் இட் பி, இட்ஸ் நாட் ஸோ லெட் இட் பி, பட் இட் would be wrong to cheat the king. So it is very wrong to buy a new seeds from the market and growing. It is like cheating the king. So they told her. Annie agreed. அவளோ ஒத்துக்கிட்டா. agreed means ஒத்துக்கிறது. So we should not cheat anyone. It had been 6 weeks now. The much awaited day had come. So 6 weeks had gone. The much awaited day had come. Awaited அந்த எதிர்நோக்கின நாள். awaited means எதிர்நோக்கின நாள் வந்துட்டு. The children returned to the palace, each of them proudly carrying a pot of healthy seedlings. So the children returned to the palace. Palace means அரண்மனை. So they all returned to the palace, each of them proudly carrying a pot of healthy seedlings. Each children they are carrying proudly. Proudly means பெருமையா they are carrying a pot with a healthy seedlings. All of them are growing healthy. It was obvious that the other 9 had great success with their seeds. ஸோ அவங்களாம் வெளிப்படையாக அந்த சீட்ஸ் வந்து க்ரோ பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு தெரியுது. The king arrived. He was beaming looking at the children. So the king arrived. He was beaming. Beaming means ஒரு பெரிய புன்னகையோட பார்த்து சிரிக்கிறது. That is beaming. So beaming means what children? Looking with a smile. Looking at the children and smiling the king. And a pot of healthy seedlings. So the king started to smile by seeing the children with their pot. He began walking along the line of pots the children had kept. So the children had kept all the pots in a line and they are standing in front of the pot. The king began walking. He asked each of them, "Is this what grew from the seeds I gave you?" So the king started to ask, "Is this what grew?" ஸோ இந்த செடிங்க தான், இந்த பிளான்ட் தான் நான் கொடுத்த சீட்ஸ்லேருந்து வளர்ந்ததா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறாரு. அண்ட் ஈச் ஆஃப் தெம் ரெஸ்பாண்டட், "Yes, your majesty," and the king would nod and move down the line. So each children, the king asking to the each children, "Is this what grew from the seeds I gave you?" So all the children they are responding, "What? Yes, your majesty." So the king வந்து would nod means தலையாட்டிட்டே அங்கேருந்து ஒரு லைனுக்காக போகிறாரு. The king finally got to the last one, Annie. So at last Annie is standing. The king finally got to the Annie. The girl was shaking. Shaking means shiver, நடுங்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறது. She feared that the king might have thrown her into prison for wasting his precious seeds. So the girl was very much feared. Why? Because the king might have thrown her into prison. சிறையில் அடைச்சிடுவார் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பயப்படுறா. Why? Because of wasting his precious seeds. Precious மதிப்பு மிக்க. Precious means மதிப்பு மிக்க. So what did you do with the seeds I gave you? The king asked. The king asking. So what did you do? So நீ என்ன செஞ்ச? What did you do with the seeds I gave you? Your majesty, I planted them and cared for them every day. I'm sorry, but they failed to sprout. So Annie said, I planted them and cared for them every day. So every day I'm caring and I watered it every day. And I'm sorry, but they failed to sprout. But didn't sprout. The seeds, no, they are not sprout. முளைவிட ஆரம்பிக்கல. Annie said, she hung her head in shame. Boo jeered the crowd. So she hung her head. Hung means தலையை தொங்க போடுறது. Shame. So Boo jeered the crowd. So all the peoples in the palace, they are started to கேலியாக சிரிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க ஆனியை பார்த்துட்டு. ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஜியர்டு. ஜியர்ட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? கேலியாக சிரிக்கிறது மற்றவங்கள பார்த்து. பட் த கிங் raised his hands and signaled for silence. ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் தெம் வாஸ் ஷவுட்டிங். கேலியாக சிரிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சதுனால கிங் raised his hands. He raised his hands and signaled for silence. to the crowd. Then he said, "Dear people, behold my heir, the next leader of a kingdom. See my heir. See my child." Heir means varis. See my child, the next leader of our kingdom. So she is the next leader. Head. Leader means head of our kingdom. The people were confused. Why that girl? How can she be the right choice? So the people were very much confused. Why that girl? Why Annie? How can she be the right choice? The king took his place on his throne with Annie by side and said, so the king took her, Annie, to the throne, அரசாணைக்கு பக்கத்தில் கொண்டு போயிட்டு நிற்க வைக்கிறாங்க. And said, I gave each of them 7 seeds. So to the each children I gave 7 seeds. This test was not for growing wheat. So this test, what I gave the last test, this was not for growing plant. It was a test of character. So gunam, character means nadathai, ஒருத்தருடைய குணம். A test of honesty. நேர்மையாக இருக்கிறவங்கள குணத்தை பற்றி தான் நான் வைக்கிறதுக்காக தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக வச்ச டெஸ்ட்டு. If a leader must have one quality, it must be that he or she should be honest. So if a leader must have one quality, so a leader must have one quality. What is the quality? He or she should be honest. That is also one quality for the leader, for the head. So people should be able to trust the leader. So all the people should trust the head. So only this girl passed the test. Only this girl passed in the test because I gave boiled seeds and boiled seeds cannot grow. Boiled, வேக வைத்த seeds, வேக வைத்த விதைகள் எப்போதுமே முளைக்காது. Okay, so that's why Annie's seeds didn't sprout. But see, all other children, no, they all cheated the king. So Annie is only very much honest in this lesson. So she was the next leader in this kingdom. So this shows the honesty of the girl, isn't it? So all must be very honest children. Okay. So at your age, honesty is very very important. You should be very honest. நேர்மையாக இருக்கணும். சரிங்களா? எப்போதுமே எதுக்குமே பொய் சொல்லக்கூடாது. So you should be very honest in your life. Because of her honesty, Annie has got a big prize. Thank you, children. So next meanings, children. The 7 seeds meanings. Kingdom, a region ruled by a king. Flourished, developed in a healthy way. Valama செழித்து வளர்க்கிறது. So developed in a healthy way. Revered, respected. Revered, respected. Aging, getting old. Adopt, legally take and bring up. Adopt means what? தத்தெடுக்கிறது. Legally take and bring up. Leader, head. Nurture, care, protect and grow. Anxious, eager. Destiny, fate. விதின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, that is fate. Behold, see, பார்க்கறது. So that is meanings. Next we'll see. Choose the correct option. The king was situated in the foothills of. The answer is Aanaimalai. The kingdom was situated in the foothills of Aanaimalai. The king looked for a leader. The king looked for a leader. The king gave dash seats. So how many seats? 7 seats. In real, the test is for testing honesty. So for testing honesty only, the test has been conducted. Next, true or false? The king shouted at Annie. No, the answer is false. Annie grew the seed well. False. Annie valued honesty. True. So next, answer the following questions. So 5 question answers given, children. How long did the competition take to reach the final? So the competition took nearly 6 months to reach the final. The competition took nearly 6 months to reach the final. Why did the king want a leader who knows to grow a plant? The kingdom depends on agriculture. So the king wanted a leader who knows to grow a plant. So the kingdom also was depend on agriculture only. Okay. Did the seed given to Annie sprout? Why? No, the seed given to Annie did not sprout because they were boiled seeds. Boiled means வேக வைத்த விதைகள். So it doesn't sprout. What did Annie's parents teach her? Annie's parents taught her the value of honesty. நேர்மையோட முக்கியத்துவத்தை பற்றி டீச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Do you think Annie will be a good leader? Why? Yes, Annie will be a good leader because she is honest. Even when her friends advised her to buy new seeds, she did not. So a leader must have the quality of honesty. That is very important for a leader. So a leader must have the quality of honesty.